is TCL Google TV and Android TV. TCL Google TV is not the same as Android TV, although both are based on Google's operating system. Google TV is an upgraded version of Android TV that offers a more streamlined interface, enhanced content recommendations, and a more personalized user experience. While Android TV focuses primarily on apps and streaming services, Google TV provides a more integrated and user-friendly approach for discovering and watching content. 1. Difference between Google TV and Android TV. Android TV is the older platform developed by Google, which focuses on app-based navigation, access to streaming services, and integration with Google services like Google Assistant. Google TV, on the other hand, is a newer version of Android TV, providing a more intuitive interface with smarter content recommendations, a unified home screen, and deeper integration with Google services. Second, TCL Google TV Features. TCL's Google TV runs on the Google TV platform, which includes features like personalized content suggestions, a redesigned home screen, and the ability to search across multiple streaming services at once. It also supports Google Assistant for voice commands and Chromecast built-in for casting content from mobile devices. While it's based on Android TV technology, it offers an enhanced viewing experience. 3. How Google TV enhances the Android TV experience. Google TV offers a more customized and smarter experience than Android TV, using machine learning to suggest shows, movies, and other content based on your viewing history and preferences. It also organizes content across platforms, making it easier to find what you're looking for without having to switch between apps. 4. Compatibility between Google TV and Android TV. While Google TV is a more advanced version, it is still built on Android TV and remains compatible with the Google Play Store and all Android TV apps. So, TCL Google TV users can access the same apps and services available on Android TV, but with a more enhanced interface and experience. 5. Should you choose TCL Google TV over Android TV? If you're looking for a more modern and intuitive interface with personalized content recommendations, TCL Google TV is a great choice. It offers an upgraded experience compared to the traditional Android TV platform, while still providing all the benefits of Android TV apps and Google services. TCL Google TV is not exactly the same as Android TV, but is based on Android TV technology, enhanced with features like personalized recommendations and a more intuitive interface. If you're looking for a smart TV with the latest Google platform, TCL Google TV offers a superior experience over standard Android TV.